Okay, chemistry. Unit 1 solid state jang khan lecture 6 na turani lecture 5 khanin hang ho point defects can be classified as tikhatlem te khagan soi mana defects in stoichiometric crystals te defects in non-stoichiometric crystals and impurity defects te kha point defects te anni chung ho chu kan empay don ani number 1 point defects in stoichiometric crystals kan enang stoichiometric te over thin shi ho to mai thea stoichiometric kan te chuanin internal reaction ala compare taila reaction so reactants le products sa omtani so in reactants kan in two moles of ions alone tani omzia two molecules of H2O 2H2O alone ta se a product kan in two molecules of something ka omtur te na ne so khatia angsi kha stoichiometric reaction so ni ta heta definition kan and stoichiometric compounds are those in which the number of positive and negative ions are exactly in the ratios indicated by their chemical formula around the tani so negative le positive ions in ang chia exactly ratio sa an oma nge e compounds an ron siam khan so ang stoichiometric compounds kan ti internal NaCl kalau ni tani Na sodium chuan electrons pakhatalo sina stable Na plus ania Cl chuan in pakhatagengin stable Cl minus ani omja chu Na plus ri chuan in positive pakhat chuan in Cl minus ani chuan negative pakhat and ratio chu 1:1 positive 1 negative 1 1:1 ratio se chen ni ta khatiang chi kha stoichiometric compounds kan ti chu ni a sharing kan tum do ne o khame chung changa kha so two types of stoichiometric defects kan ne number 1 Schottky defects number 2 Frankel defects number 1 Schottky defects kan en chuan a picture nin hen kan en nga some of the atoms or ions are missing from their normal lattice site ti kan mo normal lattice site om cha hen te hi lattice site ve kan ni hen te hi mo chuanin some of the atoms or ions Schottky defects le Frankel defects kha stoichiometric an ni wangin a in za chia in bo tur ani omzia chu anion vacancy ma cation vacancy bok tur tin ani chuan ratio kha in chia chuan atoms mo ions shen khat te kha an bo ani dom ta khan anions vacancy ma cation vacancy then Schottky defects appears in ionic compounds in which anions and cations are of nearly same size chuan Schottky defects su engti khuna nge kan nei thei kan ti chuan anions le cations te hi same size nearly same size emo almost similar size and size kha in ang thuak lai khanin emo size in ang thuak nei te khanin Schottky defects an nei thei ni so number 3 decreases density of lattice hemi omzia chu ideal crystal kan she to nge position tin a khan lattice point kha on vector a chung ho zinga chuan internal duna Schottky defects a po ions pani bo ni hei anion le cation vacancy om tata ni about to awang khan in a density kha amuk to do law density kha decrease do ti na ni chu ta kha Schottky defects a chuan density decreases the density of lattice due to the missing of ions from its normal lattice point ti thei na ni kan ti thei ta ni hei so number 4 so an example NaCl and KCl ka common example india condition causing Schottky defects ka lo om turin engtingi ang follow ngai timeng mo engtingi ngai ti khakan enanga number 1 so in coordination number sa kapia nga kan Schottky defects om theya coordination kan she to number of nearest neighbor of particles na thei tu berde internal ke hi atoms law ni taila kabula hianin atoms pahni law ta se chung te chu ka coordination number ani ka coordination number chu 2 ti na kabula hian min hual vel ta se square min law ta se hnung lam le malam ting le ve law ta se pali in min hual ani ani chuan ka coordination number chu 4 ani ti na tiang khan coordination number sa nga pia nga Schottky defects om do na ni so number b chuan in ions that is cations and anions of almost similar size kan soi to size in ang ni tur ni enge size in ang chia thei do lo ma se almost similar size nearly similar size kan ti kha mon next chuan Frankel defects kan nei vele thunga Frankel defects chuan in a heinin han kan lo en ko pang ion is missing from its position a position acham hian ions kha hei cation na bo ni so and occupies an interstitial position between lattice point lattice in kara interstitial sites kha heta hian hei azuk occupy ani mo chuan appears in crystal in which negative ions are much larger than the positive ions. Say negative ions B minus sau hin munga a larger than A plus. So positive ions is smaller than negative ions kantinani. So Frankel defects doesn't affect density of the crystal. Frankel defects of Ankanin, density of the crystal does not change. More density of crystal it's one in crystal mukuzong kanimeta envying kaka effect law it's one cation is missing from its position, but it occupies interstitial space. Interstitial space ala zukom le shamani kami wakanin Frankel defects kanin density of crystal ka nge ati enga ma kana effect lawani so swanin example la swanin silver bromide te zinc blend kan ti te zinc sulfide kan ti ang che te kha lo ni ta swanin Frankel defects alo ni the san de chu number 1 a chong coordination number is low, coordination number ni am piang ang the ya b a chon anions are much larger in size than cations. Anion size ka cations ai na lian nge turani kha Frankel defects out the tur condition de so ni a consequences of Schottky and Frankel defects akan kalang. Number 1 heavy tepati defects present awang hian electrical conductivity of crystal increase ani. Electrical conductivity om theina tur chuan nge poimo kanti chuan electron moving a omangai ni there will be electron moving for electrical conductivity tro kan siang chuanin electron moving a omrenga a omna chanenge in Schottky defects how electrons are moving kanti chuan two atoms or two electrons are missing from their lattice point. Draw Schottky defects as one. So Frankel defects as one in one cation is missing from its lattice point and occupies draw a moving wave. The moving of electrons on wave so one in electric conductivity can increase wave. Number 2, due to the presence of holes in the crystal, its density decreases in case of Schottky defects. Schottky defects akan density decrease tigan so ito atsan chu holes present wangani engwai nge holes on atsan chu Schottky defects chuanin two ions are missing. Draw negative ions le positive ions cation le anion kan missing weve awang kanin holes asiama kwa asiama so one density ka decrease ani. Number 3 at one holes are present awang kanin lattice energy kanti kha kha crystallina energy ani turang zat kha nei thei don lawa chuan stability of crystal kha du tu samina stable don lawa ni stable crystal kanti chuan in ideal crystal perfect crystal kanti kha ni meta unstable don law due to the presence of holes. Number 4, presence of Frankel defect tends to increase the dielectric constant of the crystal. Frankel defect big and swanin Frankel defect swanin atoms of a kan interstitial spaces occupy ngalani to that swanin dielectric constant of the crystal ka increase hotel dia lo dinani so ha sha tur swanin heta hian no daron ti a hemi hi kan sha tur ni a MCQ type in ron kal ve le fau chin ni Schottky defects le Frankel defects nei kop ve ve thei ionic solid su AgBr chau he ni silver bromide sin sia tur kha zong kha wenetan tunatana kan lecture kan insider theni selanic sa topic shaning thil dan kan zir le don ya. Thank you.